Welcome guys to another ProfileTree video. So today we're going to be going through the best website traffic checkers. So we'll go ahead and get started. So of course you'll only be watching this video if you are now a website owner. So as a website owner you want to make sure you're monitoring the traffic on your website, but you don't necessarily know how to do it. So this is where website traffic monitoring comes into play. You've created a new website for your business, so it's now up and running. So how exactly am I able to check the website performance? How can I check how many users are coming into the website? And how can I see if users take action on your website or on my website? Website traffic monitoring is a very important process for any website. So there are a number of different web analytic tools available online. So it not only shows or allows you to monitor traffic through for the website, but it also helps you measure the success of various parts you're running for your website. So this could be an example of your blogs, seeing how many viewers that are going through that blog and how many people are commenting on that blog. Another one is if you're running an e-commerce site and you're seeing what is the most popular website, what is the most popular product. How can you check that with a website traffic monitoring? So that's very, very important, just to see which is the most products sold, of course, and this means you'll increase revenue and you'll have a better business. But now what we want to look at is what exactly website traffic monitoring is, or as people call it, web analytics. So web analytics tool is generally an online website traffic measurement tool or a website traffic analyzer. This records the activity on websites. This could be how the user came to the website, the pages visited, activities made such as purchasing, submitting a form, things like that. Now, it also allows you to see what audience you're entertaining. So this could be their gender, their age, even what country they're from. It could be from that sort of point. So you're determining where you would sell your product more. It's more like car manufacturers as well. As you could see that they have different cars available in different countries because it's more specified to that audience and they're more happy with that. It's about pretty much just gaining an understanding with your audience. And on top of that as well, so using these tools is very simple. It just needs integrated into the website so you can start collecting data. So what are the best website traffic monitoring tools? So we'll go ahead and flick through a couple and see what options are available to us. Starting off with Google Analytics. So of course this is owned by Google, and this is the most common tool to use and the most popular as well when it comes to web analytics. The great part about this tool is that you can grab a load more traffic data, including a load of dimensions and metrics in a free version. You can also grab a paid version as well. This is more tailored towards like larger websites, so it's not necessarily for a small or medium website. And I've also said there that by larger, this means that they have traffic within the millions per month, so they need to dig deeper. So how can I integrate it to my website? So you will need to log into Google Analytics and register as a new website. Then it will provide you a script that you need to attach to each page of your website. So this could be like the head script pretty much. Anyway, of course, if you are using any SMS like Magento or WordPress, you can follow tutorials to guide you to implement it in. So this is one of our tools that we could use. So go ahead and check Google Analytics out. Next is Crazy Egg, and Crazy Egg is great for its features like scroll map, heat map, confetti, and overlay to monitor a user's activity on your website. These features are very handy to help understand the behavior of your website. Also, it gives you an insight as to what is the most viewed or most interesting part within your website, so the parts that they click on, As I said earlier on, could be blog posts, it could be like your e-commerce stuff, which is a specific product or item, anything like that. Now, all these strategies can be used to help improve the website. Once it's implemented to the site, you can make your site more interesting from the user's point of view. Now, using this tool, it has to be paid for. However, you do get a 30-day free trial, which is great. So it pretty much helps you test out the service, see if you're happy enough with it, and then you can proceed to use this tool. Next, we have Stat Counter. So Stat Counter is one of the older web-based analytic tools, and this was a popular tool to use before Google Analytics came about. And this was actually founded at around 1999, so you could tell how old the analytic tool is. However, people still use it as it has some unique features. Some of these are where you can check the segmented traffic data to this application, such as which browser is used to visit your website. You can also insert multiple filters and label them to your needs, as well as that the live visitor feature is an interesting and popular feature there. So you can see the live visitor information, such as location, source, and how they browse. Now, as the other ones, this tool is paid for and it starts at around £5, or you can use the 30-day free trial to pretty much just test to see if this is suited for your website. Okay, so our next tool here is Kissmetrics, and this is another web analytics tool that's known for its easy implementation. This is a great tool that can give you insights that may help you identify data and work with it. Kissmetrics also makes it easy to track the user's activity, the conversion process, and also analyze the comings and goings of the website. Pretty much check where you're losing potential customers, etc. So it's pretty much good for e-commerce sites. Now, if you do use marketing methods such as SEO, socials, Google Ads, etc., you can use Kissmetrics to measure out the best marketing strategy for your website. Now, this is also a paid tool, but you can go ahead and demo it first before deciding to use it and pay for it. Now, lastly, we have Content Square. And Content Square is a cloud-based analytics or website traffic measurement tool. This allows the user to check the website traffic and size on various metrics. One of its best features is session logging, which works using JavaScript and client-side logging. You can also monitor customer behavior, interactions on your website. You can also find website problems by checking the data and improving the site's design and user experience. Now, it's capable of capturing user interaction, their actions, and pretty much what web page they click on. Now, this is also a paid tool, but does not show its prices, and you'll have to give them a ring pretty much to verify the prices for you. But guys, that is pretty much it for this video, and hopefully that gives you a rundown on some of the analytic tools that you can use. Now, some of these are the good website checkers, of course, and it's just a great way to make sure that you're ranking or that you're getting the traffic that you need for your website, and just to make sure that it's not dipping down. So of course, a continuous dip is obviously not good for your website. So it's a great way to make sure that you're getting that traffic within your website. Anyway, folks, if I have missed anything at all, just leave them down in the comment section below. Or if you want me to cover anything else, just let me know. Other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.